Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can paint in Krita. So Krita is a powerful free digital painting software designed for artists. And if you are new to Krita, this guide will help you get started with painting like a pro. So first, you can just set up your canvas. You can open Krita and then click on New. And in here you can just choose a canvas size. I'm going to just leave it as it is, and then you can just tap on create. Okay, so once the canvas is open, you can choose a brush and start sketching. So select the brush tool from the toolbar, this one. And after that, you can just click on the brush presets panel on the left side. Sorry, it's at the top right here. So you can choose a pencil brush. You can choose between this one, the pencil 2B, pencil 1 heart, or pencil 2. So in this case, I'm going to just use this one. Okay, now you can just start drawing your rough outline. So just start sketching the items that you want. I don't know what it is, but you can just draw anything here. Okay, let's say this is good, and after that you can just add color and paint your artwork. So you can create a new layer by pressing on Control Shift and N under your scratch. So you can select a color, select the brush for to colorize. You can just choose which one. For example, in here I'm going to just use this, okay, this brush right here, and then you can just brush off like this. And if you want to change the color, you can just choose from here. So just like this, for example. And you can do blending and shading. You can use the smudge brushs, or you can just press on Shift plus P on your keyboard to blend colors smoothly. You can also try airbrush for shading. So that's pretty much all. If you want to save and export, you can just tap on File and here click on Save or Save As, and then choose the file path and tap on Save. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.